Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2022 Toyota RAV4 GX, stock reference number 5279. This shape runs from the 11th month 2018 and is the current shape. It has an M20A 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. M20A 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left front, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, auto type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heating controls, single zone type, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.